Thank you very much. Today especially, I choose to talk about the word thank you again indeed. We will never stop reminding ourselves to always say thank you. Thank you is indeed a very simple word, but you have to know that it is truly difficult to remember. Life is not simple, and life is not that difficult, but we often like to complicate life by our own choices and actions. Let us accept life as it is. Let us accept to put things into perspective, and let us accept to help each other. It's not hard to face challenges and obstacles. It's really easy to run into difficulties in our everyday lives, in the day-to-day life we live. Life, as we live it, we have very generous people around us. We have people who help us move forward. We have people who motivate us. We have people who want to see us succeed, and they support us in various ways. These individuals, through their encouragement and support, play a crucial role in our journey. When we express our gratitude by saying thank you, it brings immense joy and happiness to their hearts. These people always push us to move forward. Why not say thank you? Let's say thank you at every moment of life. Let's say thank you for everything we have. Let's say thank you for everything we don't have, because we know and we have faith that we will certainly have it tomorrow. So let's say thank you in advance for that. Thank you for life. Today I am living. Tomorrow I will definitely live. Not everyone has that chance. Why refuse to say thank you? Say thank you because life is a gift. Today is a gift. Tomorrow is a treasure. So I say thank you for today, and I know how to enjoy it by sharing the thank you, by sharing the joy around me. So I express my gratitude and I say thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thank you for everything you've done for me. Thank you truly for the peace you sincerely give me. Thank you for the food I find to eat. Thank you for the air I breathe. Thank you truly for the friends I have. Thank you also truly for the enemies I have. Yes, indeed, friends help me to progress. My enemies also help me grow. While trying to make my life complicated, they have their way of helping me. So, I say thank you. Life is all about balance. So we need to have balance. You can't live saying that you'll never have enemies. We'll always have enemies, even within our family, even at work, among colleagues, in our surroundings, because that's life. And we say thank you, and we have to deal with it. Let's say thank you because we have the opportunity, the ability to manage both friends and enemies in all of this, to find balance and move forward. So when I wake up, the first thing I have to say is thank you. Never forget, by saying thank you, you open doors. By saying thank you, you receive. By saying thank you, you receive. By saying thank you, you always receive blessings. So, the word thank you is very important. The reason why every time we have the chance, or every time we open our mouths, we say thank you. Thank you can build cities. Thank you can build a country. Thank you can push people to move forward. So, let's say thank you and move forward. Let's say thank you and share what we've done, even if others judge it as bad. Because when we do things, sometimes we don't realize that we're causing harm. But when we're told to go back, reflect, take a little break, and say thank you. Because by saying thank you, we have the chance to make things right. By saying thank you, we have the chance to question ourselves. What are we? Today we are alive. Tomorrow, for sure, we don't know. Because when we say tomorrow, it's uncertainty. Tomorrow is a treasure. Tomorrow will come and we will definitely live. So let's say thank you. Life, it starts, and life, it's very short. For some, it's up to 70 years. For some, it's 100 years. We have 100 years of life to live. So, what are we saying? Our body is our vehicle of life. How do we take care of our body? This body takes us everywhere. If I'm here today, it's thanks to this body. If I move tomorrow to go to another city, it's thanks to this body. It's our life car. How do we take care of our life car? And in our life car, we talk about the soul. We talk about the mind. How do we take care of them? It's very important. Take care of your life car. Let's take care of our life car. Yes, by saying thank you, we take care of it. By rejoicing, we take care of it. By seeing us joyful, we take care of it. By reducing stress, we take care of it. And that will take us very far. This body will carry us through to 100 years of life. But when we lock ourselves in grief, we destroy this life car that is our body. When hatred drives us to do things that keep us up at night, we destroy this life car that is our body. So let's be in joy. In every way, tomorrow is always better. Yes, tomorrow will always be better. And tomorrow we come to understand that we need to correct some things we did wrong in the past, which is yesterday. Yesterday is already gone. Today we live. Tomorrow we live this law. And why not say thank you? So dear brothers and sisters, every time you get up, never forget to say thank you. Never forget to express your gratitude. Because by expressing gratitude, you receive 1,000 times over. You receive millions of times over. So thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thank you for everything I have. Thank you for life. Thank you for the breath. Thank you for friends. Thank you for the work. Thank you for the leaders we have. Leaders are terrible. Leaders are generous. How do we maintain this? And how do we make life so great for everyone in our world? Life is for us. Life, we have to take care of it. We can't live life alone. We have to live it in community. And when we live in community, let's say thank you for having this community. Thank you for understanding, because understanding is the most important thing. In everything we do, at work, in our homes, in our community, and in every aspect of our lives. When we can't truly sit down to really manage and effectively understanding, we unnecessarily complicate life. Let's agree to listen and talk less. Let's agree to put ourselves in others' shoes before we can judge. Let's not judge because we don't know what people are going through. Let's not judge because we want to judge. Let's not judge because we want to be seen. Let's not judge because we want to be heard. Yes, we need to be heard by saying thank you. We need to be heard by saying thank you. You've done your part, but we can do better. So we are together. We'll achieve together. And we'll always reach excellence. We're not looking for that. We're not perfectionists. But we know that by wanting and working, we are heading towards silence. And it's in the trials and errors that we succeed. So let's say thank you. And one person can't do it all. We need each other in our lives. We need understanding and empathy. We need communication and support. What we need most of all is listening. We need peace, joy, and calm. Let's attract all that is positive within us. Yes, let's reject negativity. Those who doubt, those who are afraid, those who proclaim anger, those who proclaim violence, let's reject all that. Let's say that everything is still possible. Yes, when we live, we need to be joyful. When we live, despite the difficult situations we may face, we need to say thank you. Thank you because we have hope. Thank you because we believe that tomorrow will be better. Thank you because we know that we are in a process, and in this process, we can't be perfect at the start. We are in a process and we are moving forward with our skills. It's like the 5 fingers of a hand. The fingers are not the same, so we are called to embrace complementarity. Yes, we have talents. We say thank you for the talents we have. Yes, we have ideas. We say thank you. Yes, we have plans. We say thank you. Yes, we have projects. We say thank you. Not everyone has that, so that's why we need collaboration. Thank you is very important, and thank you is a blessing. Yes, what a grace we have in saying thank you. Why refuse to say thank you? What does it cost you? Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. And we will never stop saying thank you. Say it every day and you'll see what it changes. Put a smile on your face because that's what it's all about. By saying thank you, you smile at life. By saying thank you, you open doors. So my brothers, my sisters, thank you today. Thank you. Where are you from? Thank you for being you. Thank you, where are you from? For everything I've had. Thank you for the life I've lived. Thank you for the things who will come, that I stop waiting for what I will have. Thank you for the advice. Thank you for everything. Thank you so much. And let's take care of them, the others. Life can't be lived alone. We need everyone to live. We can't be in joy while others are crying. So let's call for collaboration. Let's call for cooperation. Let's call to be honest. Let's learn to be sincere. Let's learn to do less harm. So let's always seek peace. Let's run away from doing harm. And we have life ahead of us. Everyone has up to 100 years to live. When we look around us, our parents are leaving. Our parents are leaving us. Family members are leaving us. And when we see the standard of living, we know that the maximum is 100 years. So, as we go through our journey, like I said at the beginning, let's take care of our life vehicle, which is our body. Let's take care of the soul and the spirit and move forward together. Thank you, and always say thank you. When you can't, say thank you. When you're tired, say thank you. When difficulty comes your way, say thank you. Because the path opens up there. Because sometimes certain situations push you to change your path. So it's tough. We love stability. We don't like sudden changes. Yes, it can be tough on us, but let's say thank you. Because tomorrow is better. Thank you, and see you next time.